This garden was unlike any other, for it was a place where dreams came to life, and the most precious of all wishes could be granted. Our story begins with a young girl named Lily, who loved to gaze at the stars every night. She believed that each star held a wish, waiting to be.
Are you a housewife looking to make a positive change in your life? Do your kids love bedtime stories? Well, guess what? You can turn those bedtime moments into money. Believe me, you can do it all from the comfort of your home in just 2 hours. Today, we have got something incredibly exciting to share with you, the magic of using AI to turn text into stunning images, and how you can turn this into a YouTube money-making machine. Let's not just waste time anymore and get to the point fast. I will tell you step by step to make it easy for beginners to understand. Don't miss step number 4, it's really important. Step 1. Imagine using a really smart tool that turns your words into beautiful pictures. It's like magic, just like using Artbreeder or Midjourney. Simply open your web browser. We just need to use 4 websites. First, open ChatGPT. Sign up if you don't have an account. Otherwise, just log in. We need a script for our bedtime story first of all. So this website is going to write for us an amazing story scene by scene. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a story for you. I am going to show you first 3 scenes of this bedtime story video. So this is a story of a girl named Lily. We need some pictures now. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT to write prompts for every single scene of the story to create perfect images. There you go. Perfect. Now you know what exactly you want. No confusions, right? Step 2. Open Blue Willow. Sign up if you don't have an account, otherwise simply log in. All you need to do is to copy each prompt one by one and paste in the text box of this tool. That's it, my dear. You have beautiful pictures for your video. Step number 3. Now we need a tool that can help us speak for our video. You can also use your own voice, otherwise you have great options. Open Credo AI, just copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it in this text box. Choose your favorite voice and boom, it's ready. Step number 4 is really interesting. Open Runway ML. Now we are going to put all those pictures on this website and animate them. This is how these pictures are going to look like a full movie. You and your kids are going to love it. But it's not free. So you must buy this tool, as it can change your life. Take it as an investment. In my upcoming video, I will show you how to upload a video to get views and rank it. Just upload photos one by one, and download the 4-second generated video. All important steps are completed now. We are going to combine the pictures, audio and text. You are going to be amazed at results. So for that we need a video editor. You can download any editor or simply open online editor. I am using this one. Now let's upload all the 4-second videos and make a movie. I will be showing only a part of the story. If you want to watch the full bedtime story that I created, you can click on the link I posted in my description box. It's really beautiful. Believe me, with a little investment of time and money you can earn in dollars.
This garden was unlike any other, for it was a place where dreams came to life, and the most precious of all wishes could be granted. Our story begins with a young girl named Lily, who looked at the stars every night. She believed that it held a wish, waiting to be heard. One night,
Start today and change your lifestyle. Subscribe.